Hi, this is Debbie Cruzel from Keller Williams Realty, and today I'm excited to introduce 74 Stacy Circle in Windham, New Hampshire. This wonderful condo has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with about 1,300 square feet above and 500 square feet finished in the lower level. But what's really awesome about it is that it has a brand new kitchen with granite and stainless steel. It's a redesigned kitchen for this unit, and that was done in 2010. All new carpets in 2007, a new hot water heater recently, and the list goes on and on. This house has been kept up really well. I'm really proud to present it to you, and if it's something that you're interested in, it will be coming on the market the first week of August, so give me a call if you'd like to see it. My number is 603-318-6953. Thanks for watching.